Following a request from a viewer, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the hard drive from a Sky Plus box. Note that the hard drive in this box is an IDE hard drive. Start by removing the Sky viewing card. Turn the box over to the rear. Note the following 3 screws on the back. These are Phillips screws. Remove the 3 screws. With the screws removed, pull back the cover on the top of the Sky box. Note that you may wish to pull from the sides to make the cover come off easier. With the cover removed, we can now see the hard drive inside of the Sky box. Remove the IDE cable and the power cables from the hard drive. Turn the case round and remove the following 2 screws which hold the hard drive caddy to the casing. We will now change the camera view to make the next step in the process a little clearer. The following 4 screws hold in the caddy to the casing. Also note there is a screw on the side which should be removed, will allow for easier removal of the caddy. Once the screws have been removed, disconnect the fan from the casing. Remove the caddy from the casing. You may wish to push the front of the case forward to make it easier. With the hard drive caddy removed, turn upside down and remove the 4 screws that are holding it on. Note in this video that I missed a screw under the white label. With those screws removed, the hard drive can now be removed from the caddy. Note that this again is an IDE hard drive, and the one in this Sky box is a Seagate 160GB drive.